Are your TikTok comments not showing? Don't worry, you are not alone. In this video, I'll show you the exact ways to fix the TikTok comments not showing error step by step. Hi, I'm Hipa and welcome back to TechHip. If you want to keep your TikTok running smoothly and never miss a comment, make sure to watch till the end. Sometimes TikTok comments don't appear due to app glitches, outdated versions, or even account issues. The good news, most of these problems are easy to fix. First, try clearing the TikTok cache. Go to settings and privacy, then free up space, then click on clear cache. This can remove temporary bugs that prevent comments from loading. Next, make sure your TikTok app is up to date. Older versions can have bugs, so update it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Also, check your account settings, go to privacy, then go to safety, then go to who can comment on your videos. Make sure it's set to everyone if you want all comments to show. If nothing works, uninstall TikTok and reinstall it. This refreshes the app and can fix most persistent errors. Finally, a weak or unstable internet connection can cause comments not load. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router. And that's it, your TikTok comment should now be visible again. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more TikTok tips, and share this video with friends who need it.